Ms. Pushpalata Shetty. Ms. Pushpalata Shetty is DGM Cells Crystal Logistic Cool Chain Limited, coming with professional experience of more than 2 decades. She's a dynamic team leader. Ms. Pushpalata is adaptable to all challenging situations with an excellence in time management. She's also active in designing and implementing a strategic sales plan that expands the company's customer base. Today, Ms. Pushpalata will give us a brief view of creating a portable cold chain. So, delegates, let's welcome Ms. Pushpalata Shetty.
We were discussing about the portable cold chain. Now, when you talk about commodities, which needs to be stored in a cold chain is a perishable items, which may be a medicine, which may be a pharma products, food, fish, everything requires a temperature sensitive, means a product or a storage facility where the temperature can be maintained, because the outer climate or the conditions externally may ruin the product, and the portable cold storage is the best strategy wherein we can do it. In case if you talk about a cold storage or a cold chain, the main basic thing would be a well insulated cold store, which will help the protection of goods and direct heat transfer in the container or in the solution, means what the storage facility. It will not allow any heat to enter inside, and there will be causing a decrease in the life of the perishable goods. Now, when we talk about Crystal as a company which is into an entire cold chain solution companies, there are 3 different verticals we cater into. The first is a cold storage warehousing. The second division, what we do it, is a cold chain transportation. And the third division, what we are talking about, is a portable cold storage containers. That is a portable cold chain solutions. This is our family at Crystals. We are almost 50 years old company. We have operational pallet warehouse capacity facilities at Bhubaneswar as well as in Calcutta. These are the 3 different verticals we were talking about. The first is CRPL Infra Private Limited, wherein you have an entire temperature control storage facilities. One is at Dhulagar and the other facilities is at Bhubaneswar. You can say a total capacity of around 19,000 to 20,000 pallet capacity is available for storage. The second vertical what we're talking about is a Kothri Agro Enterprises, wherein we are giving you a solution of portable cold storage, wherein it's the main motto of this product is plug and play. For example, if you're looking for some cold storage solutions wherein building a cold room is difficult, so this solution can be worked out for static application as well as for logistic application. The third one is a temperature control distributions, wherein we take the first mile and the last mile distributions also. The company is owned by Murari Lal Agarwal. He was a commerce graduate who has initiated the business, and then the MD Rajesh, JMD Naresh Agarwal, and the CEO Sir Akash Agarwal, and we have a nominee director Akshay Pan. In case if you talk about the different temperature which we can store in this, we have a product of -18, -35. We also have a solutions wherein you can store a product up to -70. So temperature you can have -10, -70. When you talk about a portable cold chain, the smallest size for which we can give you a service is an 80 square foot of area, that is 10 by 8. And it can go up to 1,000 square feet, 2,000 square feet. The beauty of this product is it can be operational from the day the product get unloaded at your location. It can be used for storage. It can be used for logistics application. It also has a facility. This is the innovations what we have done, wherein a temperature of -40 also can be attained in this. It's normally a blast freezer. Normally a civil room has all this facility, but we have made a concept wherein this movement is also possible. For example, if you want to store the product, maintain the temperature of the product, that also can be done. Apart from that, wherein a blasting is required up to a degree of -40, that can be done. Even ultra freezer wherein you can maintain a temperature of -70. So the advantage of using this product, this can be used for storage, this can be used for logistics application. For example, a company, their warehouse is at particular location, say Bombay, and they want to do some blasting. Once the blasting is done, they can even move this product to any other location where blasting is required. The only cost which will be applicable in this will be logistics, whereas the temperature and everything can be operational on the day it is unloaded. This has some of the insights, how it looks like, the machinery which is used, the temperature which can be maintained in this, the inside view to have an idea. In case if you talk about an area of 650 square feet, a bottom in the mid, the image which shows, it gives you a clarity of a two-bay reefer joined together. This are the beauty of this product is, for example, these are the 5 reefer box which are combined together. The advantage of using this is, if you see, there are only 3 machinery placed. That is, 2 containers are without machinery. You're saving on the power consumption, as well as inside the reefer, inside the cold room, there is no wall. You're getting ample space for a movement, as well as you're saving on the power. The machinery mostly uses Thermo King because it can maintain a temperature up to -40. We have 2 different machinery also. The other machineries are Daikin and Carrier. The temperature which can be maintained is -10, -20, -40, even -70 is also possible. These are few are the inside. If you just look at the image, it looks like a cold room which are combined together. It's normally the reefer boxes which are joined together. These have few of the good distribution compliances. The machinery are made of stainless steel. There are safety alarms inside. For example, if someone gets stuck inside the container, there is a man-trap alarm. The LED lights. These are all basic innovations which we have done depending upon the client's requirement. The power consumption, the energy consumption is very low, very robust in nature, very sturdy. You will not find any indoor or an outdoor unit. So there is no air gap. You will not find any leakages inside this. Few of the images to have an idea how a 10 feet, how a 40 feet looks like. Few of the inside or the site installations which we have done. The advantage of using this is it can be placed anywhere at any location, inside a basement, any on the docking bay and an open platform. The installation of a superstore, if you can have a look on the bottom right side image, it comes in a skeleton format, and this get combined at your location, a client's location, wherein it becomes a complete cold room. You can go area up to 2,000, 3,000. The area is not a limit for this. Normally, this will work as an extended arm to the existing cold storage facility, wherein if you see an image, there is an anti-room connected to the existing warehouse, and an additional container is being placed so that you need not construct a civil cold room. You can place this and it will maintain the same temperature what your cold room is maintaining. Some live views for you to have an idea on how a superstore looks like internally, and few placement how it is done. The entire combination of the containers, right from unloading to getting it installed. If you see the raw materials, the finished product, after the installation is completed, the external idea and the internal view, you can place at any location. You can keep it on an open ground. The temperature it caters to, how much temperature, the temperature which can be maintained, and all the additional feature which is possible, like you have an internal door release. If someone gets stuck inside the container, then there is a door release. You have sliding containers like a cold room, and then you have internal lighting. You have a man-trap alarm facilities in this. These are normally a calculation of the pallet, how much UK pallets, how much Europe pallets can be fixed inside a superstore, super 3. You can have the various combination of a 20 feet or a 40 feet based on your requirement. Just to know how to have a difference between a portable cold chain, what we are talking about, and what the industries are giving, like a cold storage, where you normally require a CAPEX approval or a CAPEX requirement. Whereas in case if you go for an option portable, there is no CAPEX requirement. It can be operated in OPEX model. It can be usable immediately. There's no government norms or government rules for having this taken at your end. Then there's no government regulation required. It can be relocated easily. These are a few of our happy customers who have been using our services. You can talk about pharma. You can talk about e-commerce industries, dairy, FMCG, various certifications related to our product, the awards and the recognitions. See the customer feedback from our different clientele. In case if you want to wish to reach us to us, so we have our office at Calcutta, our corporate office at Mumbai, and our warehouse at Calcutta. Thank you.